Guys, how's it going? Whoop whoop, much calm love. So anyway, I did some thinking, looking and stuff. It's the only way it's going to happen. $800 used motor. Well, when I called and checked with them, they said we open up the motor and look at it before we send it out. If it's broken, we cannot send out a broken motor. So a used motor, whatever, a used motor. So if they look at it, they know if it's broken or not, and they can send it, right? So what I'm going to do is, I need to come up $800. The motor comes shipped, and then the people here will charge only $400 to put it in. So $8, $9, $10, $11, $1,200. So if you guys want to help me, please do. All help is my throat is welcome. I want to keep my car. I want to keep my truck. It's mine. Okay, I like this. It makes me feel good. With 5 brand new tires, a spare that's brand new windshield, I want to keep the truck. So, I'm going to say it again. If you want to help me, my PayPal is there. But I'm getting these weird things. People are saying, requesting $1,000. And so I reported to eBay. They say, do you know them? I said, no. They said, okay, we're going to block them from coming to your account. So anyway, guys, we have my car. Brand new tires, brand new motors. So we need to come up with what? $8, $9, $1,200. So I got 3. Next month will be another 3. And hopefully you guys can help, all right? I'll talk to you later. Peace. Much calm love. Whoop whoop. Take care.